On Aussie dollar for today, Aussie dollar we expect buy momentum to come through and they are attempting to start that. So we want to watch to see if this correction is complete for opportunity to come through to buys to the upside. We are looking for buys to upside on Aussie dollar. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, they gave us this correction downside and they are giving B wave upside. We are seeing this as B wave. We'll watch if they'll give us a C to complete the correction and then give us the opportunity for this move upside. That's what we are looking for. We zoom to 1-hour time frame on Aussie dollar to see it better. They give us this small ABC as the A wave correction. I want to believe they are giving us B wave right now and they will drop once more for C to make this ABC complete the correction and then take off to the upside for us. On New Zealand dollar for today, New Zealand dollar we are watching and expecting an upside move. They started their correcting. After this correction, we want to watch to see buy upside as a corrective structure before we see it drop once more. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on New Zealand dollar, on the 4-hour time frame, they started the spike here, gave this deep pullback, continue the up momentum. So we want to watch them complete this flat here and give us more buys upside. We zoom to 1-hour time frame to see that better. On the 1-hour time frame, we are watching this corrective move upside. We expect them to drop once more, make it A, B, C before we give us buy upside. Especially as they give this deep pullback, we expect this drop to be deep to make this a running flat for them to then give us buy opportunity upside. So we want to watch out for that. On Euro Aussie for today, on Euro Aussie, expect Euro Aussie to start giving us corrective structure downside a bit because this has been aggressive buy. We expect them to correct before they resume this buy upside. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on Euro Aussie, on the 4-hour time frame, we see that they are attempting to turn. They are giving us several attempts and they are failed to turn. So we are watching for setup on Euro Aussie. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, we see that it has given us divergence between the tops on the MACD and the tops on the chart. So we want to watch to see if this will be the start of the sell to the downside. We are looking for sell opportunity. They will give us sell setup today, upside or downside. Although we are looking for this possibility that this is a running flat and they will give one more retest of. On Euro card for today, Euro card has been in this aggressive buy upside. Right now, I'm watching to see it give us sales back down. Expect it to correct back to this trend line level before it will resume this buy momentum, either as a straight correction or as a flat for the upside. So we want to watch out for this correction. We zoom to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, they give us this correction earlier and then resume the buy upside. Right now, they are giving this correction after this drop. We want to watch if this will be the start of the corrective structure to the downside on Euro card before you resume back the buy momentum. So if we also zoom to 1-hour time frame, we want to watch out for that. On the 1 hour, we see it has been correcting here for a while, up to 6 hours. So we want to watch it drop down for us. Drop down for it to resume this buy momentum. So this is what we want to watch out for. On Euro New Zealand for today, Euro New Zealand we expect corrections to come through for us back downside for it to resume this buy momentum. It has been climbing for a while without correction. So right now we are expecting it to give us correction. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on Euro New Zealand. On the 4-hour time frame, they gave this attempt at that correction. They failed. They gave one more retest of this top. So we are watching this correction to see if it will be the start of the drop downside before they resume this back. We are looking for that sell. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame on Euro New Zealand, we see it has divergence between the tops on the MACD and the tops on the chart. So we want to watch for drop. We are watching this to see if it will be the start of the drop to the downside. So we are interested in this sells to the downside. So to look out for. Euro New On Aussie card for today, on Aussie card we are looking at for buy momentum upside. We expect it to give us big correction at least for one more retest. So we are looking out for this start of this buy upside. We zoom to 4-hour time frame on Aussie card. On the 4-hour time frame, we see it has given us this spike upside, and it has been correcting for a while here. So we want to watch it give us the next spike upside. We're looking out for these guys. We zoom to 1-hour time frame on Aussie card. On the 1-hour time frame, we see this as a complete correction, A, B, C. So we expect this to correct here today and take off for us to the upside. We are looking out for this buy setup on Aussie card for today. So we want to watch out for that buy to the upside. That's what we are looking for on Aussie card. So watch out for that trade. On card Swiss for today, card Swiss is presently in this daily low level. So right now I want to watch them give us correction and buy to the upside to start an up move similar with this one, or if it does not give us that, to give us a corrective structure here that will make this a running flat, and then we will drop once more before the bigger buy upside will come through for us. So we want to zoom, if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on card Swiss, you see they give us this flat structure here and dropped. Right now watching, they can correct here, give us another flat once more, drop, make it a BC, and then reverse for us to the upside. We are looking for buy on card Swiss right now. We zoom to 1-hour time frame. We want to watch out for that as well. You see on the 1-hour time frame we have divergence, which confirms to us that even if this turns out to be another flat for one more drop, that the bigger